And the race is on. They leap in unison away from the gate, rushing up is Chelsea. Jassy to Shafty, answer prayer. Papa Joe is racing in fourth. It's Chelsea, rushing up to grab the lead. Jassy to Shafty. Answer prayer is racing in third. Papa Joe racing in fourth by about 5 lengths. Queen Elizabeth is racing in fifth, rushing up Lucky Vice Chancellor, Dress Up Riddler, third last, Our Moment, second last, entry number 7, this one is Tobruk. And rounding the fourth turn, Chelsea regains the lead from Jassy to Shafty. Then here comes Answer Prayer is closing in third, rushing up by the rallies Lucky and Papa Joe. As they race the final corner, Answer Prayer, Chelsea, Lucky in between runners. Jassy to Shafty, rushing up is Queen Elizabeth, Papa Joe on the further outside. Chelsea, and on the outside, Answer Prayer, Papa Joe, Jassy to Shafty, and finally Jesse Basilio Guse on Chelsea, second Papa Joe, third Answer Prayer, close Jassy to Shafty, Queen Elizabeth.